When the world grows quiet and the night begins to fall, there's a peace that only faith can bring. A profound stillness that settles over everything, inviting us to rest. Tonight, let your heart find its anchor in the timeless words of Psalm 23. Allow this ancient prayer to be a gentle lullaby for your soul as you prepare for sleep. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. These words are more than just poetry. They are a sacred promise, a divine assurance that echoes through the ages. They remind us that God's presence is a constant companion, a light that never fades, even when the world around us seems to dim. Every fear that whispers in the quiet corners of the night, every worry that tries to keep your mind racing, every burden that feels too heavy to carry, all of it begins to lose its power when you remember you are not walking this path alone. His light is there to guide your steps, illuminating the way forward. His infinite love stands as a guardian over your dreams, protecting your heart and mind. Think of the shepherd in the fields. His watch is constant. He knows every sheep by name. He guides them away from danger and towards nourishment and rest. This is the image God gives us of his care for you. You are known, you are seen, and you are cherished beyond measure. When the psalmist says, "I shall not want," it's a declaration of complete trust. It's the soul's deep sigh of relief, knowing that our ultimate provider is in control. The green pastures and still waters aren't just physical places, they are states of being. They represent the spiritual peace, the soul-deep refreshment that God offers us when we choose to follow his lead. Even in the most challenging moments, described as the valley of the shadow of death, there is no reason to fear. Why? Because the shepherd is right there with you. His presence transforms the valley from a place of terror into a passage of trust. His rod, a symbol of protection, and his staff, a symbol of guidance, are your comfort. They are the tangible signs that you are being defended and led with love. This isn't a promise that there won't be valleys, but a guarantee that you will never, ever have to face them by yourself. His strength becomes your strength. And what about the table prepared in the presence of enemies? This is a powerful picture of provision and honor. Even when opposition, doubt, or difficulty surrounds you, God provides a place of abundance and celebration for you. He anoints your head with oil, a sign of blessing and consecration, and your cup overflows, symbolizing a life filled with more blessings than you can contain. It's a testament to his generosity, a reminder that his plan for you is one of abundance, not scarcity. He doesn't just give you enough to get by. He pours out his grace until it overflows. This psalm is a journey from peaceful rest to confident trust, culminating in a beautiful certainty. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. This isn't a hopeful wish. It's a statement of fact. Goodness and mercy are not just waiting for you in the future. They are actively pursuing you every single day. They are the constant companions on your life's journey, arranged by a loving Father. And the final destination? I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. This is the ultimate hope, an eternal home, a place of everlasting peace and communion with God. So tonight, as you lay down to rest, take a deep, slow breath. With your exhale, consciously release the weight of the day. Let go of the anxieties, the frustrations, and the unanswered questions. Visualize them dissolving into the night. Now, breathe in his peace. Let it wash over you like a gentle cleansing rain, soothing every tired muscle and calming every racing thought. Feel it covering you, a soft blanket of divine love. The Good Shepherd is watching over his flock, and that includes you. Your soul is safe, secure, and deeply loved in his capable hands. Sleep well, knowing you are protected. Thank you for sharing this moment of peace with us. If this reflection brought you comfort, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more moments of spiritual encouragement. Sweet dreams, divine extension, expand your light.